Good morning. Well, it's just way too slick to be driving, so yeah, I'm gonna ride a bike today. See if I can get this glove back on. Okay. All right. Yeah. Anyway, on Sequim Avenue, riding with one hand on slick conditions, but that's okay. We're used to that. It's all good, right? There's the mighty money-making Olympic mountains. Tremendous mountains. The #1 mountains. Nobody knows mountains like I do. Kind of, after all the hiking I've did last year, I'm going to consider myself a mountain expert. A mountain expert. About 29 degrees this morning. Beautiful day for a ride. We're going to go out to the ODT, see if we can find some more snow. Yeah. There's another brave soul already blazed a trail in front of me. And let's see, I think that person has wider tires than me. Oh yeah. And I'll tell you what, you want some good traction in the winter or anytime, you get Victoria Mezcals. And at the bottom of that tire, you eat the worm.